Go get Alex another treat, Oakley. Is that for Alex? Oh, good boy. Get it for Alex. Yeah. Make sure you pick up some stuff on the ground. Go get a treat for Alex, Oakley. No, go get a treat. Oh boy. Allie, go lay on your bed. Yeah, clean up all the spots she made. I think Alex is gonna go take it into her own hands now. No, don't play in the water, Oakley. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Don't play in the water. Oakley. That's Alex's water. No. No, get. I think she's skipping your process, Oakley.